Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys. And in today's video, it's very simple. Today's a very, it's not a lot of profit today, just $72 floating. But let me show you guys the trade that was sent this morning to our members. And this trade was, I think, 10:30 in the morning. Yeah. And we were able to enter or buy from that buy alert that we got. All right, so far so good. Yesterday we did 42 pips and we made a profit of $799. Let's see the other days. Hold on. Okay, on Wednesday, I think this is Wednesday. On Wednesday we did $849. Yeah, so far we've been having a very good week. I think on Monday we did $10,000 profit, but Monday was, or I think this was Tuesday, I'm not sure, but that was a good trading day. We had a lot of trades with GBP CAD, and yeah, so far guys, it's been a good and profitable week. I think I'm going to close this trade because it's Friday and I don't like to keep trades open over the weekend. So I'm going to close this trade now. Yeah. And that's it for today. So $56 profit today. And you can see, yeah, so this was a very, yeah, we didn't really get a lot from that trade, but yeah, very profitable week so far. Now guys, most of you are asking about this indicator that I'm using. This is our proprietary uGenesys trend indicator that we've developed and which is perfect for beginners. So I think you guys can see a picture of it here. So on this indicator, it's very simple. It gives you the overall trend of the market. It gives you the currency strength. And then it gives you an alert in the specific time that you should be trading. All right. So as a beginner, I definitely think that you guys will enjoy using this indicator and it will definitely help you to improve your trading. So I'm going to put the link to this indicator in the description of this video. And yeah, that's it from uGenesys until next week. All right, guys. So take care and God bless.